Where to build a battery is an important consideration for project developers in the NEM, but how much of an impact does it really have on battery revenues? This map shows a transmission network in the NEM, all the way from Cairns up in Queensland down to Port Augusta in South Australia. The system can become constrained when power is limited from flowing down certain lines. Generators behind these constraints may then be curtailed to help the system operate safely. Let's highlight the most frequently binding thermal constraints across the NEM in 2023. The colour of each line reflects how often the constraint was binding, with yellow indicating less than 100 hours to dark red for over 750. One of the most constrained regions is southwest New South Wales, which is home to several batteries. Constraints mean that these batteries suffer grid curtailment as a consequence. During high regional prices, these batteries can be prevented from exporting their energy. This reduces revenues in comparison to other batteries in the same state. Here we can see average revenue per megawatt for operational batteries from June 2024 to May 2025, split by region. If we add potential revenues lost due to grid constraints, we can see that New South Wales batteries are currently uniquely impacted by these locational issues. However, constraints are not the only locational factor asset owners need to consider. Marginal loss factors, or MLFs, can also reduce revenues. But for batteries in New South Wales, these have had less of an impact than constraints in the last 12 months. Many battery projects are still building in or near these highly constrained areas. So why is that? And how can batteries manage the risk of curtailment in the future? We answer these questions in our latest article on the Modo Energy Terminal. That's it for now. I'll see you next time.